everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire from the 2nd to the 6th of October 2023 on Monday. Msimelolo battles under the weight of his cost secrets. Zimkita does some snooping when she finds out who Luzugo's been meeting with. Tulani and Anati part ways on Tuesday. Zimkita does some digging and learns of the best news ever regarding Dando. Things worsen between a couple on the run. Msimelolo struggled to get through to Funeka. Fears he might have lost her forever this time on Wednesday. Anati is determined to solve her problems with Tulani and decided to risk it all by visiting Bulelwa. Msimelolo is not prepared for what is in store for him when Furious Dando shows up swinging a golf club. Fundiswa has an inappropriate crush on someone he has no business crushing on this day. Fundiswa shamelessly lust over an oblivious Mbumbe. Zimkita discovers by chance that Anati is alive. Msimelolo is in a coma. Dando falls guilty on Friday. Fundiswa fantasizes about being ravaged by Mbube. Zimkita is determined to solve the Anati mystery. Msimelolo comes home, but Funeka still has her walls up. Well guys, this is all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.